Now that you've answered a little question about plate boundaries, we're going to look further into the patterns that we notice along these plate boundaries. So, just to recap what a pattern is something that we observe that's similar over and over again. So, you're going to notice similar things happening over and over again in a pattern. And when you look at the earthquake map, I want you to be thinking about what is an earthquake? What happens during an earthquake? You can use the key terms in the slides from the previous video, or you can use the link below to the slides to reference the definitions. When you look at the plate boundary and earthquake map, I want you guys to be thinking about what do these black dots represent? Look at the key to figure out what those black dots represent. Think about what this red line represents. What does this red line represent? Do you notice a pattern that's going on at the red line? Where do you notice the black dots seem to be placed on this map? Are they placed in similar areas? Are they placed along the red line? As you answer the questions below, you're going to be thinking about what do you notice about where these earthquakes occur in relation, so in connection to plate boundaries? And then do you notice a pattern? So think about the pattern that you're noticing on this earthquake map. Think about if this pattern exists in all these areas, so area A, B, C, and D, or does it only occur in one of these areas? As you analyze the maps, we want to remember that as geologists look for patterns in landforms and in geologic events in order to better understand Earth. So they're looking for these patterns to make connections and to study Earth's past. So as you think about this pattern, think about what do you think this pattern along plate boundaries can tell us about the plates that make up Earth's outer layer? Use the sentence starter below. What does this map tell us? What is the Earth divided into? What is the outer layer made of? Use this information to answer the questions below in the Google form.